Everyday laundry brings everyday challenges, from food stains and grease to heavy dirt and large laundry loads. That's why you need a detergent that delivers real power. Weisser Riese Universal Powder is designed for strong, reliable cleaning, even at low temperatures from just 20 degrees. Its advanced formula penetrates deep into the fibers, effectively removing tough stains while protecting your fabrics. Whether it's white or colored laundry, Weisser Riese provides consistent, fresh, and clean results wash after wash. With up to 90 washes in one pack, it offers outstanding efficiency and cost control, making it ideal for large households, hotels, laundries, and professional cleaning services. Now available as a wholesale opportunity, 760 units, offered at 50% below the average EU retail price. Reliable performance, powerful stain removal, and exceptional value in one product. Weisser Riese, strong against stains, reliable every wash.